How to visualize large datasets without scatterplot overplotting. Imagine trying to see the details of a crowded city street from a distance. The more people there are, the harder it becomes to pick out individual faces. The same thing happens with scatter plots when you have lots of data points. Overplotting makes it tough to see the true pattern or distribution. So, how can you make large datasets clear and easy to understand? One simple way is to make your markers smaller. When you reduce the size of each point, they don't overlap as much and you can see more detail. But if your dataset is really big, just shrinking markers might not be enough. That's where transparency comes in. By setting the transparency level, or alpha, to a value less than 1, overlapping points become darker, showing where most points are concentrated. This helps you spot dense areas easily. Another trick is jittering. Think of it like giving each point a tiny nudge in random directions. This spreads out points that would otherwise be stacked on top of each other. Just be careful not to move points to or from their true location, or you might distort the data. Hexbin plots are a popular choice for large datasets. Instead of plotting every point, they group points into hexagonal bins and color these based on how many points fall into each. This method quickly reveals where data is dense without clutter. Similarly, jittered histograms divide the plot into rectangular bins and use color to show how many points are in each. These are especially useful when you want to see overall trends rather than individual points. Density plots and contour plots use a technique called kernel density estimation. They create smooth surfaces that show where points are most concentrated. This way, you get a clear picture of data density without plotting every single point. If you prefer different visuals, you can try violin plots or box plots combined with jittered points. These show the distribution and individual data points at the same time. Splitting your data into smaller groups and plotting them separately, called faceted plots, also reduces clutter. When datasets are extremely large, sampling a smaller subset or aggregating data points can make your visualization manageable. For example, averaging data within bins before plotting can give a good overview without overloading the plot. In Python, you can control marker size with the s parameter in the scatter function. Adjust transparency with the alpha parameter. Seaborn's functions like rigplot and lmplot let you customize marker size and transparency easily. To jitter points, add small random noise to your data before plotting. For Hexbin plots, use Matplotlib's Hexbin function, which is designed for large data. Kernel density estimation can be done with Seaborn's kplot, giving you smooth density visuals. By combining these methods, you can create clear, informative visualizations even with very large datasets. This way, you avoid overplotting and still reveal the true story your data has to tell.